Hello, 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 guys. Good morning, KA. Hello, guys. How are you doing? 9 turn on pre-NFP sessions. Let's see what we can do around here. Market's very choppy right now. Nothing very interesting. Many current trends and bounces. Not really struggling to find some. Just browsing around. Are you already jumped into some kind of trade? That's the trade I posted yesterday. It's going well. Now it's pulling back, but according perfectly uh, to our perspectives, he's have reached 22 pips, but not really something that we should be worried about. Very flattened markets with against the trends situations. Some of them are going okay, some of them don't. And if you're part of our signal group, you have been collecting lots of profits today. All right, who'd like to send questions? We can talk a little bit about the NFP, uh, or we should let it to tomorrow. What do you prefer? Uh, I think we should be having a good NFP for the dollar uh, tomorrow. I pretty much understand that something it's going on with U.S. economy. I don't know, by the way, that I am a financial advisor as well, and I have been studying all the politicians and the financial environment since I came back from my past study in Spain, and I just got more deep into it the past years. It have been an interesting journey because the more you learn, the more you understand, the more you start to make a strategy where you can be benefit from this, right? Where you can understand where you can put a trade, where you can do not send a trade. So this is something it's been difficult for everyone, have been difficult for me for many years. I didn't understand correctly what's the impact of some kind of news, how to deal that with dollar and USD CAD, USD JPY, Euro USD. So it's not very easy to understand that, but as soon as you get to know the importance of this kind of news, you 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 can make yourself a story inside your strategy, right? If I have some kind of numbers going to that direction, if I have a negative inform, I'm go to the other direction. So these things are very important, and it's crucial for you to understand. And if you're not available to uh, study to make yourself an effort to try to understand exactly behind the scenes what things all the f- the financial figures that we have, it's going to be very difficult for you to make money. But I know many traders that can make lots of money doing NFP, and it is incredible. I know traders that only trades NFPs, right? But this is very risky, right? I It's risky, it's emotional exhausting, and I don't know exactly why people like to trade this way, but I know uh, it can be very exciting sometimes, right? Okay, so let's go through the pairs. Let's wait for the members to jump in. We have only 3 brave souls for now. Markets are now opened. New York session, it's open right now. We do have some news regarding the USD that are not very important. We have this CAD news, building permits. That's economic calendar that shows exactly how the interests about the real estate markets on, in this case, of course, on Canada. AUD chief, we have a strong AUD and not that strong chief. AUD JPY, AUD NZD, AUD USD. As I said, I have been seeing a strong dollar, and we should try to manage exactly what to do when we have something, a situation like this. All right, so I'm just checking some emails here, some important emails. I received lots of newsletters over my email, and I have been using email for a long time. I think it's one of the best ways to get inside good stories about news and economic calendar. I really, really like that. Really, really appreciate that. Good morning for everyone. Good morning. Good morning. Adosei Sarkody. Good morning. KA. Thank you very much, you guys. Please don't forget to like. Hit the like, please. It's very important for the YouTube algorithms to let this live session go through the internet and reach more and more and more people interested in Forex business and trading community. It's pretty much important. So subscribe to the channel as well, right? Let's do browse. That's the Bitcoin. Bitcoin is struggling for a while. It's reaching again the mark of $20,000. CAD Chief going to the roof. Important pullback from here. Look, it was an interesting enter right here. It reaches almost 40 pips. You can look at that. Look at that. Almost 40 pips. 40 pips. 39.8 pips, right? Now it's pulling back. Of course, I do not advise you to jump into this trade. It's very clear that we are on a pinkish background, which means that we are allowed to trade only sell trades. And it doesn't matter if we are with a huge spike like this. Okay. That's the trade I took yesterday. I took a very interesting trade where we make money. I hope you had that trade as well. Sorry, guys, for that. Now we have a spiky cat, maybe something related to the oil. Let's see oil. Let's see what's going on. No, no, no. Oil, it's going down. Oil going down. Well, let's see precisely what's going on. GBP USD going down. Okay, I'm just watching this trade. I have sent a signal on our signal group, and we are making lots of profits around this. Let me check if we reach the take profit number 2 as well. No, not yet. That's the number 1. No, not even the number 1. Not even the number 1. It's going to. We're going to. That's the news we have. ISM manufacturing PMI. And nothing very interesting for now. Okay. So let's keep going. Chief JPY, CAP JPY, I have skipped that. CAP JPY going to the roof. Look at that. Going to the roof. JPY, it's weak for now. I don't know why. I don't know precisely what's going on. DXY, it's getting stronger. And that's a good indication for us. Look, that's an indication as well. We should be trading with all the weapons we can have. Okay. So if we can have a weapon like DSY charts, and if our system works with DXY as well, we should be using this. Okay, there is no problem using this. The more stronger is the DXY, the dollar, of course, we should be trading on downtrends with other currencies. Okay, so that's the case of AUD USD that is going down. That's the case for Euro USD as well. That's the case for the GBP USD. Okay, so of course, that's not the only factor that make price change, but of course, that's the biggest factor. So we should analyze that as another strong indication about what can happen. Okay. Good morning for everyone. You are quite welcome. Let's make a shout out on the group. We are live. come on to the trading session. Let's see if we can scalp some pips, right? Of course, it's totally up to you. You do what you want, okay? You do what you want. We are already grown up persons, and of course, you should do whatever you want, right? Uh, uh, uh. Here we go. Okay, let's analyze markets. Let's do it together. Entity cat. Let's see. Nothing very interesting, guys. Look, markets are very, very shaky right now. Okay, there's no clear direction. Lots of volatility right now. So we should be waiting for a while. Okay, waiting a little bit more. Look, very, very shaky. Very, very shaky. Should you just let something do something good for your account? Let it go, and maybe we can have some good surprises. But we just should let it go. That's the NZD-USD, another trade that I took yesterday. Okay, SP 500. That's like the US 10-year treasure going up, which means that we're gonna have a negative SP 500. I'm quite sure. The same with the Dow, right? USD CAD still the rally going up. USD Chief again. Remember that we have a stronger dollar. Let's see if it keeps going up. USD JPY. Let's take a look at this pair, right? If it goes beyond this resistance here, maybe it could be a good, interesting opportunity, right? Let's wait for this candle, okay? We are going to trade with the trend. Let's make that very, very clear. With the ADX, we have to be pointing up, and a wide open moving average, right? They're splitting from each other, and not a perfect, but almost perfect triple cross. Okay, let's pay attention to USG JPY. This session is going to be shorter because I have a school run at 10:30. So of course you will we're gonna have lots of opportunities during the week. Okay. Just checking. Yeah, it's gonna be a good opportunity for we to enter, right? I'm quite sure about this. Let's just wait the best opportunity, okay? Okay, so we are in. Let's see what happens. Very risky trade. Let's go. Very risky trade. Let's go. That's the way I like it. No, I don't like risky trades. I really don't. I like safe trades. Okay, guys. Good morning to Ed Bennett. Hello, Ed. How are you? You're very welcome. Greetings from California. Uh, just let me check a message that I have here. I'm being invited to some kind of festival. I don't know exactly what it is. Sorry. Oh my God, sorry for that. Just a second, guys. I try to manage this. Okay, just a moment, please. Um, all right, now I understand. That's from my university. That's my university trying to call me and invite me to a blockchain event that going to be take place here in Rio. Let me see. Well, lots of things. I'm not really going to pay attention to that right now. Sorry, guys. I'm sorry. Thank you, Cold War. Good morning for you too. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Yeah, I have snooze. Okay. Mm, all right. Okay. I'll take a look at that later. Take a look at that later. All right, guys. Have you seen anything interesting? Right. Let's go to our route again. We're going long right here. Let's wait. We should be very patient. That's going to be our stop loss. Okay. Stop loss adjust for around here. Okay. Yeah, I have a bigger lot size. Okay, guys. Don't worry about this. Okay. Don't worry about this. Okay. I would just address this. And this is something important for you to understand. I like to adjust uh, my reach goals according to, it's not always, but according to the the Fibonacci level. Sorry, guys, I'm not concentrated. I'm not very focused. Look at the Fibonacci levels, guys. You can see that we have this gold number, which is the 61.8%. Look how precise it reaches down here. It touches this level and then starts to come up. It's going to retrace maybe to the fifth level, 50% level, and then it's going to go up, right? So we are going to adjust our take profit to the next level. That would be around here, okay? Or even more. Let's see, around here. Guys, I'll have to be out for a while because my kid is demanding me, but I will coming back right now, okay? Don't go nowhere. Okay, guys, I'm back. Sorry, I have to uh, give some attention to my kid because I'll be driving him to the school. All right, I will say how to live. Forex Friends is here. Hello, Forex Friends, how are you? Jim, fine, Sean. Did you got EUG or wait for entry? Well, I jumped. Okay, it was a perfect entry for the 5 minutes. Okay, we got it from here. Sorry, from here. It's pulling back a little bit. I think it's going to go up. Our stop loss is well adjusted. We have a almost one-on-one risk ratio situation here. We're going to close earlier. And as soon as we can, we're going to drive our stop loss to the entry point. Okay. Uh, let's see if you have another opportunity around. USG Chief, I'm just going to take this out to not make any confusions. Okay. The stop loss and the take profit levels, they not must be adjusted, but they can be adjusted with the auto Fibonacci levels. Okay, it's an indication in the indicator, free indicator here on this marvelous platform that is the MT4, how MT4 should be. Okay, guys, that's real trading. Okay, that's real trading. That's live account. Do you have any questions? Do you have any doubts? Do you have any concerns? Would you like to make some comments? Would you like me to analyze another pair? Please, let's make this live session worth. Okay. Oh my God, look at oil prices. They're just going crazy. Impressive, very impressive. Of course, we are in a 5 minutes profit, but if we jump into the 1 hour, we'll see a downtrend. Okay. Clearly a downtrend. So what we should be doing, we should be waiting for a UCAD more and more stronger. Okay. That's why I like the 1 hour time frame. Look, you can see very clearly that we have a 4 hour growing, a daily trend, very consistent for now. Yeah. Prices that reach some level, respect the moving average and then go down, respect the moving average and then go down. So it's very reliable indicator. Okay. NZD USD pulling back. NZD JPY, NZD Chief. Let's see how USD. Okay, it's pulling back. All pairs pulling back, guys. All the pairs pulling back. GBP JPY, GBP Chief, GBP CAD, GBP AUD, Euro USD going down again. Oh, I'm sorry, that's the 1 hour time frame. I'm sorry, guys, but that's a good indication, right? That's a good indication. GBP USD, it's just pulling back. Probably gonna touch the moving average, and then we'll have another opportunity to go down. And look how it's performing according to the higher time frames. Look, we have this strong, reliable downtrend here. Look, with a 1 hour and a 4 hour. So that's a strong, reliable, um, a strong and reliable indicator. Please, guys, if you did not already hit the like button, please do so. Okay. It's very, very important, as I have told you. Really, really important for you to support the channel. And, that's my new challenge here to make this YouTube channel, this Forex YouTube channel, dedicated to transform people's lives. That's my main goal right now. Is try to show people a good and reliable system where they can dedicate themselves, they can struggle, they can really uh, implement effort to transform their lives through a consistent and reliable trading setup. We're just doing with tools. We're just dealing with, uh, you know, free tools, free systems, and I don't think that you're gonna find that around the web. I really don't. I really, really don't. Uh, you can make your own system. You're free to do that. Uh, I have already made mine. That's it, right? I have talked to many, many traders, and all of them they they tell us, if you're not independent on your trading setup, you're not going to be independent forever. So that's a free system. Okay, I have tweaking some information that they have given me and transform into this. Like for instance, the triple cross strategy, the add of the ADX. So that's something that I have came up with. This system, as it works right now, is absolutely and 100% mine. But of course, I'm not going to make money with that. I will just let people trade this system, right? And if you need further assistance, you can contact me, right? Or if you want free signals, you can contact me as well. But this is free. This is for everybody. If you feel yourself um, entitled to be doing this alone by yourself, go ahead and do it, because that's the best sensation you can have, right? Jamie, Scave, Rafa, what do you think about GBP Chief and Odd NZD? So let's go first on Odd NZD. Well, Odd NZD seems very quiet right now. I don't like trading pairs, Jamie. They are not related to that time session. That don't have at least one currency related to that time frame, because they have less volume, and if they have less volume, they are more um, prone to be influenced by volatility, which is not good. We want pairs, we want trades that can be influenced by volume, right? With traders trading with volume, that's the most important fuel for our system. For now, I see a very mixed situation. I see something here that is not very clear to me. Okay, at least for the 15 minutes. If you reach the 1 hour time frame, it's the same. It's going up and down, up and down. I would say that it's more prone to go to the downside. Okay, you can see something like this. Uh, Look, so of course it's a downtrend. Okay, for now. But we don't have clearly messages here on the 4 hour or the daily. The daily still have a buy trend, and the 4 hour is going down on the red, with the red line, thinner line. It's red, so the sell trend, it's coming to an end. So I don't see anything for now. Look how the 5 minutes is just almost flat. Okay, ADX is it's under the 20 level for a while, which is not a good sign, right? We could have entered around here. You could have collect almost 20 pips, or um, if you were more conservative, you could have reached 14 pips. But again, this trade was at 8 a.m. here in Brazil, which means that it was after lunch, Australian time, Sydney time, so Asian session, right? So I don't see anything for now. The other pair was GBP Chief, right? That's another pair which is mixed, right? We don't see anything for now. If we want to analyze the perspective of a trend, the perspective of a pair, you should go to the higher time frames. Okay, you should go to the 4 hour, you should go to the daily, you should go to the higher time frames to understand exactly what's going on with the bigger picture. And then you can go down. Then you can go down to the other with the other perspectives that are happening at the moment. Okay. So 5 minutes, for instance, after analyzing this, it became for a very non-clear size. Okay. He could have taken this trade around here. Okay. After this, you could have reached 14 pips. Now it's going on. Your stop loss should be around here, so it's just going down and up and down, up and down, with no clear direction. Okay? All right. Mamãe chegou? Mamãe chegou? A mamãe tá trabalhando, papai tá trabalhando, tá? And this is just my kid here. He's absolutely cute. All right. Let's see what we can look for. It. Well, did I answer your question? Sorry, did I answer your question, Jamie? Did I answer your question? If I did, okay. If I did not, please let me know. Okay, I'll try to struggle to let you get the things clear. Yes. Okay. So, okay. He have asked me about GBP Chief in odd entity. Are you on one of those trades? And if you are, what did you jump into the trade? What makes you go into the trade? See if you can tell me. Okay. Do you have any other questions, guys? I have to go for a school run. Okay. My kid is just changing for school. I have to drop him and then I'll come back. Okay. Maybe I can be here, but maybe I can go. If you don't have any other questions, we have almost 1 hour. Oh God, he entered the trade by accident. How is that? Which pair? Which pair? Let's see if you have more chances or not to succeed. Well, guys, that's interesting. If you enter the trade by accident, you should left the trade. Okay? You should be out of the trade. Okay? Yeah, my father has a speech that I hated, but he used to say, "Your body pays what your mind doesn't think." Your body pays what your mind doesn't think. So that's something difficult to understand, but it's a lesson to be learned. Sell on NZD and buy on GBP Chief. Oh my God. Sell on AUD NZD. Well, you were against the daily trend and with a 4 hour going down. So I would exit this trade. Okay. And GBP Chief on a sell. Well, you are with the trend. Maybe you can have some lucky here, but really, I really don't like this situation. If you hit by accident, you pay the price and go, because just not that. It is by accident. You have to pay the price. You know that it has a name, right? It's called fat finger. It's called fat finger. Forex friend is saying that's my email, Rafa. Which message did you drop your email? Forex friends, I can see your email. I really can. I asked him yesterday to join, but I need an email to send the link to join and talk and do some chat with us. That's interesting to understand what's your feelings, what you think about trading, what's your best interest, your experience, your background, all of this. Okay, guys. Well, let's try to do that tomorrow, okay, Forex friends. Let's try to do that tomorrow, okay? If you did not hit the like button, please do so. I really, really have to go now, guys. I'm terribly sorry. I have to drop my kid at school. Maybe we can come back, but I don't know if I will be able to. I have some work to be done as well. Okay, I'll let this trade run. Let's see if it's going to happen. I'm already in. There's nothing I can do about. I only can do is just might grab my stop loss and my take profit. That's all I can do. Okay, guys, I really, really appreciate your company. Thank you very much for joining this. Today was a shorter live session, but it's almost 1 hour. Markets are not very good. Markets are very shaky, um, maybe because of the NFP tomorrow. And I really think that it can be uh, making some impact on the market. And let's see. Let's see if we can do something better tomorrow. Tomorrow is NFP. We'll try to be here earlier. I do not guarantee because uh, I have some appointments, and maybe we can have good opportunities on NFP session. Okay, really, I really appreciate your presence here. Thank you very much for attending this live session. If you did not hit the like button, please do so. Please subscribe to the channel. It's pretty much important. That's free money, free advice that I'm giving you here. Spread this word out. Share this link. Share this live session, and we're gonna be in touch tomorrow again. Okay. Thank you very much, you guys. Bye bye.